The electric car market is at a crossroads because Tesla raised the bar for innovation while damaging the sector. While some experts see a promising future for the business, others are pessimistic. However, with 2023 approaching, it is still unclear if Tesla stock will reach all-time highs. The largest news of the day is that all Tesla SUVs are now qualified for the full $7,500 EV tax credit. The bears appear to be a little perplexed, based on the fact that Tesla stock increased during the day. The 5-seater Tesla Model Y is now considered an SUV due to a change in definition brought about by the aforementioned census. It's interesting to note that Toyota isn't crying despite being so far behind that they have a chance to catch up. The Model Y is currently selling so well that fewer people are choosing to purchase the Model 3. Therefore, I anticipate some price increases as a result of the revised $7,500 tax credit, which will also help boost demand for Model 3s. As you can see, sales of Tesla products in Europe have increased significantly from the previous year. This is encouraging since it indicates that delivery waves are getting more consistent, which will eventually increase operating profits for Tesla. While it's true that January's unemployment rate of 3.4% was a 50-year low, and that lower interest rates are probably harmful for the economy as a whole, Gary Black is concerned that our recession is not imminent. On the plus side, more people now have jobs and can purchase Teslas. Gary goes dark for a while. A fan of Tesla has stated that even though Elon Musk has been successful in creating electric cars, investors are not going to pay attention to his latest warning about a possible recession in the U.S. economy. During Tesla's fourth quarter earnings call, Black, the managing partner of Future Fund, expressed that although investors view Musk as a brilliant engineer, a visionary on climate change, a pioneer in the pursuit of a sustainable world, and a visionary in the pursuit of a sustainable world, and a visionary on economic forecasting. Musk also mentioned the possibility of a severe recession, noting that it could have a positive impact on Tesla stock price by reducing the company's input costs through this inflation. Investors are not likely to be convinced by Musk's economic forecasts. According to Gary Black, even in the unusual event that a recession does materialize, it will probably be brief because of the Federal Reserve's ability to lower interest rates. The central bank increased interest rates last year from almost 0 to roughly 4.5%, but many investors believe that at some point in 2023 it will start to lower rates in order to. Tesla's highly anticipated next-generation platform and the potential release of a 250000 model based on it have garnered significant attention. However, there is another update from Tesla in the works called Project Highland, which is expected to arrive before the aforementioned updates it is worth. Noting that Project Highland is not an entirely new Tesla vehicle, but rather an evolution of the existing Model 3, which could have implications for the Model Y. While the Model 3 was Tesla's first successful vehicle and sold exceptionally well, it has since been surpassed by Tesla's Model Y SUV, which is currently outperforming in most markets. For example, in 2022, the Model Y sold 350,000 units in the UK and was the third best-selling car across all fuel types, whereas the Model 3 sold only 19,000 units, although it remained the second best-selling electric vehicle and significantly ahead of any other electric vehicles sold throughout the year. In order to sustain interest, the Model 3, which has been made in the market for 5 years, requires an update, which Project Highland aims to provide. One of the key objectives is to reduce production costs, which could potentially result in a price reduction. Project Highland will initially focus on cars made at Tesla's Shanghai facility, which will halt production until the end of February for retooling. However, the modifications will also be applied to cars made in Fremont, California. Information about the effect of cost-cutting measures on Tesla's German production plants is currently unavailable. Reducing the amount of internal components of the car is one of the tactics being used, but the outside will also undergo modifications. Spy shots of Tesla Model 3 test mules spotted in public have depicted the vehicle with its front and rear camouflage. This has sparked rumors that a significant part of Project Highland update will focus on the front and rear sensor package. Additionally, it is anticipated that there will be a refreshed appearance for both the front and rear of the vehicle. If Tesla can pull off this update and reduce price, it will truly cement its position as a firm that knows how to play the economic times and a firm that is achieving its objective to begin appealing to a wider market. The stock price will surely reflect this welcome change. Observe this. It's fascinating. In the most recent list of beloved brands by Consumer Reports, that Tesla comes in at number 2, just behind Genesis. Usually I don't put much faith in Consumer Reports. I've been viewing the older films, and even they seem to agree that Tesla is popular. It's a big deal when a group with such an obvious prejudice against you admits, oh yes, here, yes, you're doing well today, has been nothing but good news for Tesla as far as anyone could tell. Elon had already agreed the terms with the Saudis and had the necessary funds on hand. In conclusion, it's a great time to be a Tesla fan with all the positive developments in the company. Despite the markets being down, Tesla stock has remained strong, especially with the recent news that all Tesla SUVs are now eligible for the full $7,500 EV tax credit. The recent tax reform, we can expect to see some price rises in the Model 3 as fewer people opt for the more affordable Model Y. The rumored Project Highland, an updated Model 3 vehicle, is also generating a lot of excitement, and with the ability to add full self-driving and still get the tax credit. The recent jury finding in the Tesla 420 take the private case has also been a significant victory for the company. The future of the electric vehicle business is looking bright, so remain connected and watch the markets. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next one.